Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. The white that you can see on some of the pieces is light reflecting off the water. Okay, I've zoomed in and go through a few of the pieces. Nice little eye of matrix. Some of them don't have much colour, like this piece. Something like that, just nice pattern. I have colour over on this side. Cut that in and make a pendant out of it. Kernel potch. Hollow stone. That's just off cut. A nice piece of opal. Again, piece that's been worked a bit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.